I have fibromyalgia and I've had migraines. So since I was a little girl, losing weight, exercising was not very possible, and half the time I couldn't walk up the stairs. I tried it and it worked, and I started talking about it. And my friend said, "What is it and how much is it? Order me one." Well, I mean, if you're struggling, you know, the biggest thing is just keep going. Never, ever, ever give up, because it can change your life.
And April 13th, my husband called me. He was in upper management for 18 years with a company. He called me and said the kid lost his job. And I had been a stay-at-home mom for 15 years. I mean, I had no earning power. I have 4 boys, 15, 14, 12, and 8. When I went triple diamond, I mean, they started looking at me like a rock star.
And realized that if I could just get that good bonus, achieve diamond level, that I could support my kids with this, and I could be home and not stress about childcare. And that's exactly what I did.
I was in a very unhealthy relationship, so this business gave me the strength to get out of that relationship.
On my 6th month, I made in 1 month what my husband had made the entire year.
Now we moved into this house and our kids have their own rooms and their own toy boxes, and that's made it worth it for me.
So we got pregnant, and 2 weeks later we found out that he was deploying. It Works brought him home when she was 3.5 months old.
We are debt-free and living the dream.